60-second K-movie review! Nyan Cat says, warning, there may be spoilers ahead. Meow. Alright, so for our very first edition of the 60-second K-movie review, let's see if I can make it to 60 seconds, but hopefully. Anyway, we're going to start off with Very Ordinary Couple, which stars Lee Min-ki and Kim Min-hee. So they go for the ever forbidden office romance, which goes well. They manage to keep it under wraps. They do very good with all of that. And then everything goes to crap, basically. And they spend all of their time finding ways to get back at each other within the office. Eventually, they've both had enough. They go through this very realistic depiction of, I want to get back together with you, and then, well, what happens? I actually like this movie a lot because it did have a very realistic ending. So if you enjoy relationship turmoil kind of movies, go for Very Ordinary Couple. 60 seconds over.